through the setup for the course VM and how to use it. I have a readme.txt file which I have attached with the course VM directory. So you can go over this to see the details I'll be covering in the video. First step is to open VirtualBox, click New, change the target to Linux 64-bit, then name your VM something and continue and choose an existing drive and browse this particular file from the directory and click open. You should be able to load the VM once this is done. I have the VM already set up and running, so let's go into the VM. First step is to navigate to this particular directory and type in the command sh startup.sh and enter. For us, Tomcat is already running, so we should be good. In case you see an issue, you can do sh shutdown.sh followed by the startup command. Just a brief background. Assignment 11 folder contains two particular directories, the war file and the source code. This is the file which we will be deploying, and if you want to generate the war file yourself or you're running any issues with the existing war file, you can navigate to cd desktop assignment 11 cd source cd cms and do a maven clean install. This should generate the war file under the source target directory as cms.war. As we can see, it's generating it for us right now. Yes, the war file has been generated and we can see it in the target package. To deploy the war file, first thing is we need to go to Tomcat and log in as a system manager by going to localhost 8080. The password is admin for Tomcat. Also, please make sure that MySQL is also running. So you can go to MySQL Workbench. Click on the local instance of root. The password for this is CS6310 once you run the local instance itself. I think the SQL Workbench crashed. Let's give it another try. Okay, let's see if this time it works. Meanwhile, the workbench is loading. We'll try to deploy the WAR file. So select choose file and go to your target WAR file which we will be using for the course. So we can go to the desktop, assignment 11 and the WAR file folder. I'll use the WAR file that I just right now created. So we can go back, CMS, target and the WAR file and click deploy. It shows that the WAR file is uploading. Let's see the workbench if it's configured now. It says it's connecting to the SQL server and the editor opened. Just make sure the server status is connected by clicking on the top left corner. and it says the server is running, so we should be good. We are waiting for the WAR file to be deployed, and it has been deployed under the CMS directory. So you can click on this particular link and it takes you to the login page where you can log in as a student, an instructor, and an admin. Let's try the admin role. Any UDID and a password will work for the admin. So you select the admin and it takes you to the admin home screen after that. So by default, the admin homepage is at admin, and these are the particular functionalities. You can add a student, say with the phone number, and street, and a zip code. And if the setup is correct, you should see that the entry was successfully added. We can verify it's added in the database also by going in the MySQL workbench, clicking refresh on the schema, and we can see our course management schema is created. We can expand the schema, go under the tables, and you can see these are the particular tables that are getting created. So if you scroll down, you can see that a student record must be created, and you can view it by right clicking on it and selecting the first option, which says the number of rows you want to see in the table, and you can see the record was created with this particular entry. Other functionalities are also there in the database, which allows you to edit a student, get the course report, student report, instructor report, and term. You have to select a start year before you start interacting with the system. So you can enter a term and then click start term, and if you want to go to the next following term like spring or fall for the admin, you can enter that particular next term and it should take you to the next term. That's it for the demo. If you have any issues running the system or the code, you can feel free to reach the team out, and we'll have all the instructions added in the readme file included in this particular directory. Thank you.